English for specific purposes is a branch of English language teaching that focuses on developing specific language skills tailored to particular professional, academic, or occupational contexts. Unlike general English, which covers a broad range of language skills, ESP is designed to meet the specific needs of learners who require English for particular purposes, such as 1. Academic purposes. For students or researchers in specific fields like medicine, engineering, or law, where they need to understand and use the language related to their discipline. 2. Occupational purposes. For professionals in fields like business, tourism, or aviation, where specific vocabulary, phrases, and language functions are necessary to perform job-related tasks. 3. Vocational purposes. For learners preparing for a specific trade or job, like mechanics, healthcare workers, or IT professionals. Key characteristics of ESP. Needs analysis. Courses are designed based on a thorough analysis of the learner's needs, determining what language skills are required for their specific purposes. Tailored content. The curriculum focuses on relevant content, such as industry-specific vocabulary, terminology, and communication skills. Contextual learning. Language instruction is contextualized within the specific field, making it more relevant and immediately applicable to the learner's real-world situations. Skill-oriented. ESP courses often emphasize specific skills like reading technical manuals, writing reports, giving presentations, or engaging in negotiations. Examples of ESP courses. Business English focuses on language skills required in business settings, such as meetings, emails, presentations, and negotiations. Medical English, designed for healthcare professionals who need to communicate with patients, write medical reports, and understand medical texts. Legal English, tailored for legal professionals focusing on language used in contracts, courtroom procedures, and legal documentation. ESP is highly practical and goal-oriented, making it an essential aspect of language learning for those who need English in specialized areas.